In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate Saily eSIM on your iPhone in 2025. Whether you're switching from a traditional SIM card or setting up a new device, activating an eSIM can seem daunting. But rest assured, this guide will walk you through each step of the process, making it as seamless and straightforward as possible. Let's dive right in. To start, pick up your iPhone and head straight to the Settings app. Once you're there, look for either Mobile Service or Cellular. The option you see may vary slightly depending on your iPhone's language settings, but essentially, both are gateways to managing your phone's SIM capabilities. Selecting this will take you to a menu where you can see an overview of your current SIM cards and options available for eSIM activation. Next, you'll notice a list of your existing SIM profiles. Here, there's an option labeled Add eSIM. Tap on this. It's your starting point for including a new digital SIM profile on your device. The beauty of using eSIM is the ability to add multiple profiles without needing to physically swap SIM cards. Once you tap Add eSIM, a new set of options will appear to guide you in transferring or setting up your eSIM. Now you will be prompted to choose how you want to load your eSIM. Look for the option that says Use QR code, but then instead of scanning anything, tap on Enter Details manually at the bottom of the screen. Selecting this option is crucial, especially if you've been provided with specific details by your network provider. This step ensures you're ready to input the necessary data required to activate your eSIM correctly. At this point, you will need to enter two crucial pieces of information: the SMDP Plus address and the activation code. These would have been sent to you by your network provider when you purchased your eSIM plan. Make sure to input them accurately, as these codes are what link your device to your network's digital profile. Some network providers might also send you an additional confirmation code. If required, there will be an option to enter this as well, ensuring your activation is fully completed and authenticated. Once all the necessary codes are entered, your iPhone will communicate with your network to finalize the activation. This process may take a few moments. You should soon see your new eSIM showing as active in your device settings alongside any other existing profiles you might have. And just like that, you have successfully activated Saily eSIM on your iPhone. Enjoy the flexibility and convenience that comes with managing your mobile service digitally. If you've followed along with each step, your device should now be ready to take full advantage of eSIM technology. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to explore other features and benefits of eSIMs on your device.